Yeah, well, now I do want to finish this so I can edit all the video into one video. I had a problem here. The memory is inaccessible. I just need to go to my utility functions and type public. And that's pretty much it. For the tests, this is already giving me the distance, and I believe it's throwing me an error. Let me cancel this and let me close Unreal. Just for a minute. Just so I can compile this immediately and see if there's some errors that may be plaguing my code. Compile. There are some errors. I mean, this was kind of expected because this find path length to, find path cost to. If we see the code, it is looking for environment quest query test pathfinding, and I need to find it in this same class. So let me just copy and paste this. And let's compile. Ooh. Let's compile again. And now we're clean, super clean. Right, so this being clean will mean that we can now add our new logic. That being this maximum distance, right? With this maximum distance, what I'm gonna do is just filter stuff and remove them. Oh, and probably I should do something like this. If the query does not implement the class, just return. Could it be the query owner? Yeah, yeah, I'm getting the stamina from the query owner. And the query owner is the one that wants to move, so yeah, this is correct. So for each one of the items, here we're getting the items, I believe. Here we're checking the items. We can add this to the force item state failed if it goes beyond that distance of our distance, well, max distance traveled by stamina. So let me just copy this. And if the path value, we could change this big number. I really don't want to mess much with it. I mean, it should be the same because we're going to put here. Nope, that's not what I want to. Guys, it was gonna fail the compilation. I pressed the wrong bit. Yeah, we can change it by max distance traveled by stamina. And that should check the path value. And If it is greater than this, then, well, fail. This one is only checking the path. If you find the path good enough for them. But in my case, I really don't need it. So let's save it. Now we can compile. And let's open Unreal. On my mic was muted. So I wanted to test what I just did here in this map. So I needed both of these units. They are right now at 1,000 distance. And what I will do first is make this an enemy. So I can pass my turn. And the enemy can play. Right now it's not moving because we do not have enough mesh in this level. Here it is now, there's enough mesh. Now if I pass, should be able to move to the range. And it's failing because I changed the way the finding good location works. So I need to select the unit to attack. I believe this one should be the path that it's been. Just in case, I'm going to add the test again, ritual by stamina, change it to path length from the courier, that's fine. And let's not filter anything, just score. And it will be linear. Linear? I mean, if that doesn't bring good results, then I will use the other one. But just from the top of my head, should be linear. Right, so most of the enemies should have stamina 200. And yeah, let's not use linear. Let's just inverse linear because it chose the one that it was farthest away. There it is. Good. It chose the one that lets it spend less stamina. That's good. I mean, it's working. I really don't like the naming. I will fix that. I mean, I will change it on my spare time just so I don't get confused. And what I want to know is if you can reach it. I mean, if you cannot reach the enemy, then this means that my find nearest enemy to attack will fail. And this should let me do something else. Like find a new distance, and I will put a weight here. And I will put a breakpoint. Because if we put a breakpoint here, I mean, it should stop whenever that runs. Perfect. It is stopping. But the weight shouldn't stop unless this find nearest enemy to attack fails, which is the thing that I want to do now. Make it fail. 200 should make it. Yes, 200, 2000 should make it fail. I don't think so. It should be on the limit. Okay, now it did fail. Oh no, it didn't fail. Didn't find it? Don't tell me. I mean, it could be returning. Oh, okay. Okay. We're choosing finish abort. This aborts the whole tree. We need finish execute, but the success is the one that fails. Now, because this fails, I mean, it finishes but fails, it should go to this wait node. Now, that's happening because this enemy is looking to another side. I believe if I just turn it around, we should see it moving because, okay, I believe not. I could have swore that the stamina that I was giving all of the characters was 2000. Yeah. Okay, it works. It works, and when this fails, like being too far away, it's going to try to find another place to go. Right? With that, now I want to write a new task. And that's not how you spell nearest. Let me just fix that. Nearest. Now I will want to have a new functionality. And let me just stop playing. Oh, it already stopped, but let's ignore it. I will want to create a new task that finds a good place for this unit to move, either far away, like hiding, or maybe getting near to the unit. That way, this should let me know that I will not be in range to attack anything. And with that, we can we could skip this because I'm not trying to attack no one. And knowing that